Just put the relevant annexure on record.
Annexure 6, I'll just open Annexure 6 there. So here it shows that there was communication between all the accused before court. There was communication between, let me just check, open here, 27, well, I'll explain that, but yeah, I'll explain it now on my next paragraph, okay, I'll explain it. But there's all the numbers that was identified and the communication between, there was communication vice versa between all the shows.
So tomorrow is the big day that we have all been waiting for, Monday, okay? The Monday where the 205s have been supplied by Advocate Baloyi. Or at least we hope. Monday, we're looking forward to being back in court and understanding how the five accused were in communication with each other. I truly hope that the 205s have been furnished. Ngumalo has his SMSs as well. Also, those have been furnished. And now, Advocate MNISI apologized to Gideon House. So I wonder, is he going to retract this? Because he did say they were in communication with each other. So that's a little bit confusing for me, but we'll see how tomorrow goes. Let me know what you are looking forward to tomorrow. And as well, let me know what you're looking forward to tomorrow. But let's continue listening on, because somehow Judge Ratha expects MNISI to have the same eyesight as everybody else in the courthouse, which again I think is absolutely unfair. I think that Judge Ratha needs to learn to listen. At the very, very bare minimum, active listening. He gets so frustrated, he walks out of the courthouse. So impatient. I think that once you've retired, I think all professionalism goes out the window. Everything is shut out. And this is why we're experiencing this. Should a retired judge have been recalled back into the courthouse? Should he have gone through some kind of training, refresher training, back in the office lifestyle? This is how to talk to people. Let me know in the comment section. And let's listen on.
I'll just go back to that one. And it's just 6.
I'm unable to see what is written there.
Can you, okay. So, Lulu, so that we don't have problems. Yes. Can you all sit next to that so that we don't have problems? Because that is the screening.
I'm going to request the court the state to make provision of a chart that has bigger fonts, because it won't be possible for us to all go and cluster that over there at the same time be able to take notes.
But the point is, didn't you receive this document?
We received it.
So what is wait.
Very faint. We are unable to read them, which is the
okay, fine. No problem. Mr. Voter, is it moontlik? You see there are numbers there. All the faint numbers. Just recite them for everybody. Okay? Don't just say it's Annexure 2, which shows the numbers of the communication between all the accused. Just say accused so and so, number so and so, on such and such a day communicated to so and so. Okay, is that okay, sir?
Over and above that, we're going to request, as I'm saying, I'm going to request the state to furnish us with a chart that has bigger fonts so that we can analyze it ourselves for purposes of cross-examination.
Do you have a chart with bigger fonts?
Annexure 6 appears on the documents that we've given to the defense, which is very clear.
I'm referring to this one, where this witness says that there was indication that there was a communication amongst all these accused persons. Specifically talking about this one is the one that I'm referring to.
Yes, there's Annexure 6. It's in the bundle of documents.
So it's Annexure 6, where what is
I'm talking about this one. Now we are showing a different annexure.
Annexure 6, sorry.
Yes.
Just show Mr. Voter, not you, Mr. Baloyi. Just show Mr. MNISI, Annexure 6, where you say all these accused communicated with each other. Show it. That's from Mr. Voter, not from Mr. Baloyi. That's Annexure 6, which I said to you, Mr. Voter, you must actually name the numbers,
Yes.
cite them, and say these communications were between these numbers. You are saying in Annex 6, those numbers all appear.
Yes.
Mr. MNISI, Mr. Voter says that Annex 6 shows all the numbers which depicts the communication with all the accused.
The one that I have, which is the one, the
Okay,
font
wait,
is
wait,
very
wait.
small. I can't follow it.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. Mr. Voter, do you have another Annex 6?
Yes. Can I help Mr. Mnisi? He's referring to the
The statement.
the one that appears in the statement. There's an annexure, Exhibit DD 5 in brackets 1.
Maybe you don't understand. I am saying the one that I have, I don't dispute that I have it, but it has got a small font. I can't read it. So I'm requesting that the state assists me with an annexure that has got big font so I'm able to read it. That's just my simple request.
Mr. Voter, host.
Yes.
This Annexure 6, can you read it with your naked eye? Is that the one you said, I said you must give to Mr. MNISI?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. MNISI, so that we don't waste time. Mr. MNISI, Mr. Voter, host. Wait. Jesus, sorry.
Gideon Gus.
Gideon, sorry. I'm thinking of another host. Mr. Host says, Mr. MNISI, he has given you the chart from which he was reading from. Do you have it?
I took it back.
Wait. No, just wait. Do you have it?
Yes, here it is.
Yeah, fine. Is it visible?
No, the font is small.
You can't read it. How are you able to read it, Mr. Host? Because they say it can't be read.
I took it back.
Really?
My lord, there was annexures that was given also. The annexure 6. That's on the statement, but we gave them an annexure, a bigger annexure for all of the...
Is that the bigger annex you're saying?
Yes, the annexure was given to all of them.
And you can read it with your naked eye?
Yes.
Mr. MNISI says he can't read it with his naked eye.
I think all council, my lord,
Hey.
have turned to their...
Leila, we're going to adjourn now, ne? Just so that we don't waste time, because this is simple. We're going to adjourn, and you can show Mr. Host whatever you want Mr. Host to enlarge, because apparently he's got a better eyesight than all of us. Okay, you'll tell me when you're ready.
It's looking at the affidavit. We said the annexures which are separate.
Hey,
I think that is where the problem is.
Jesus. Where is the problem?
Well, the problem is he's looking at the affidavit and
So
not,
what must Mr. MNISI look at?
and not the annexures.
What must he look at?
He must look at the annexures which have been furnished to all defense counsel.
Are those annexures visible,
Yes, indeed.
legible?
Yes.
He says he can't read them.
Well, Mr. Ramasepile just next to him is showing him.
Mr. Ramaswamy, can you read the annexures? Hey, can you read the annexures? Right, and then Mr. MNISI says what you can read, he can't read.
No, he had, like Mr. Baloi says, your lordship.
I'm going to adjourn.
He had a statement.
Just settle this.
Ziyakhala manje. You see how quick Baloyi was to say, no, we have already furnished them with that. And it's how he says it. We have already furnished them with that. That's not what Nisi is saying. And sometimes listening is such a key element. But the same, we have already furnished them, was not happening when he is owing the defense team so many documents. So he is owing the 205s, and he is also owing Ngumalo's statements, as well as the rest of Geninda's affidavit, which Mshololo wants. Okay, she's not letting go of that. Will court continue tomorrow morning? What's your prediction? Has Ratha regained control of his mannerisms? Do you think this time away from the public has given him time to gather himself, react better and react in a more professional manner, be more patient, and also listen to understand, basically? And this state witness who took over from Stein, he took over from Stein, who has retired and is in the Western Cape. I've seen this in the comments several times. If Judge Ratha can come back from retirement? What is so special about Stein that he cannot come back from retirement? Because what I predict Gideon House is going to be doing, well, this is all that I was told. This is all that I looked at. I don't know about that. So are we getting a full testimony? No, we're not. Yeah. Guningi. It is a lot. So call back Stein. Let's just have Stein come back, okay? Let the state fly him in. Let the state pay his hotel accommodation. Let him answer to what he did. Why can he not come back to the courthouse unless he is incapacitated? Because, even a minister can be subpoenaed to come to court. Why is Stein an exception? What is it about him? That's it from us today. And if you've made it this far in the video, please remember to like, comment, and absolutely subscribe. We absolutely love it when you do. Drop us an emoji, engage in the comment section so we continue the conversation over there. And if you've made it this far, you're definitely part of our VIP gang. Thank you so much. Leave me an emoji, because when you don't comment, I don't know that you have watched the video. Thank you so much. I see you in the comment section. Thanks for all the support. Happy Mother's Day to all those that celebrated today. Thanks for watching.